Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Solving this Java recursion problem is actually super fast if you just follow the calls. Let's break down this method and find the answer. This method is recursive, meaning it calls itself repeatedly until it hits the base case. For any positive input, it subtracts 2 and then appends the current number to the end. When we call it with 10, the code first waits for the result of 8, then 6, then 4, and finally 2. Each number is added after the previous recursive call. At 0, empty strings return. Numbers stack in ascending order, forming the final sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs, trust given values, and check your steps for option B.